So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I am down here at my mom's place with a load of pipe. Before I forget, I have one important thing for you, one important thing to tell you. If you take anything away from this video, if you ever have the need to buy pipe like this, make sure you call around for pricing. Well, I hope Melissa doesn't watch this part of the video because I must admit, I'm not always the best at price shopping. You know, if I need something, I know a place has it, I'm in a hurry, I go get it, and then just get on with my business. But this pipe right here, this is pretty expensive. This is 15 inches in diameter, 20 feet long. It's got the bell ends on it, you know, it's double wall pipe. And there's a place a couple miles from me that has it, and I called and they wanted $310 a joint for this pipe. I called another place because I remember buying some before and I didn't think it was that expensive. It was HP Star & Sons. They have two locations, one real close to us, another one about 15 miles away. Well, the one close to me, they didn't have any, but the one 15 miles away did. It was $160 a joint, almost half as much. You know what I'm saying? So it literally saved about $500 by driving 15 miles. And I've seen that before on things like this pipe, you know, so if you ever need anything, make sure you take the time and call around. Some places, they just kind of carry it, you know, just because they might have a stone yard or whatever, or a landscape supply place, and there can be some really big markup on it. So definitely call around. One thing about this, it has these bell ends on it, and it's kind of tough pushing this together. You almost need a machine to do it. And what I'm going to do here tonight, I'll show you. I know I've gone over this before, but last fall, early winter, I put a whole bunch of new pipe in down here on my mom's driveway. And this section right here, the plan was we were just going to lay the sides back, you know, this time of year when it dries up and make a swale down through here. But now she wants me to put pipe in here. So I'm going to roll that pipe off here tonight. And there's some sediment in the ditch right here. You know, I don't want to rent a mini excavator when the ditch is almost, it's done basically. So I'm going to go up to the house and get the BX 23S. Tiny little backhoe, but all I need to do is kind of clean some of this sediment out. I have a little bit of stone at the end of the driveway, not much, but I have a triaxle load coming tomorrow. But I'd like to get one joint at least set, and then what I'll do, I'll just lift the end with a strap to get some of that 2A limestone under it tomorrow night when I come down. But I'm going to have to dig out around this pipe right here. I'll lay the pipe in, and then I'll use the backhoe and hopefully just kind of knock it into place. Should work out. One thing I have to try to find is a like a 45 or 22.5 down there at the end, or I might have to change the direction of that ditch a little bit. The rest of it's straight. All right, I'm going to unload this pipe here, and we'll head up to the house and get the tractor.
My darling, all is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may be slow. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Oh, darling, don't be scared of time changing us both.
like I mentioned earlier, I have a whole triaxle loader that's coming tomorrow. Water's just trickling out of the pipe now, but when we get a heavy rain, it just comes ripping down through that valley. Alright, I'm back down here at my mom's place. I got another 20-foot stick of pipe in the ground. I did just notice though, I need to whack that another time or two to get that to go back another inch or so. After I do that, I'm going to start bringing up some of this 2A limestone here, sprinkle it on top of the pipe, get it to go down around the sides, and then I need to go find a 45 sometime, maybe tomorrow. I need to put a 45 on this, because if I were to put another joint straight through there, you know, dig that out, it's going to shoot straight out on the driveway. So I need to turn it, because down around the corner there's a ditch, and then 40 feet of pipe crosses that other driveway down there. So yeah, I need to find a 45, but I will. The BX23S is doing a superb job. This is only the second time I ran this backhoe. What I can tell you so far is the backhoe is nice and tight and smooth, and the controls are really nice. Not a bunch of like loosey-goosey wobbling around. Really nice, tight backhoe. And these are a handy little tractor. They are. I mean, I could go up to the house, pop the backhoe off, the loader off, put the belly mower on and be cutting grass, or put the brush hog on. Really, really handy. And I haven't taken it off yet. We'll show you in a video. This has that swift hatch loader. You can take it off from the seat. Yeah, literally in 30 seconds from what I've seen. I haven't done it yet, but when we do, I'll show you on video. But yeah, handy little tractor. Although once I get that 2A limestone on this pipe, I'll probably take this back and get the MX 5400, just because the loader, you know, much bigger bucket. Haul some more stone up, and then a little bit of that dirt. Put some of that on here. Then after that, I'll be waiting on finding a 45. All right, got water running out of the pipe. That's a good thing. I got some 2A in there. Pipe's definitely not going anywhere now. I think next up, I'll be down with the MX 5400. That'll be the next video. This one's running kind of long. Put a little more 2A in there up by the driveway, and then start baling the dirt to it, roll it in, and at least this will be done. And like I said, I'll find one of those 45s, put that on, and finish this up. And then I'll have to kind of grade all this up and replant grass. Well, normally I'd tell you that's it for today's video, but it's actually not, because right now we're going to pick a winner for the Ariat boots from the last video. All right, it's first thing in the morning here. Time to pick a winner for the Ariat boots. I just loaded the video in the random comment picker. Wow, 3,230 comments. It's going to take a minute or so to load all these. Just noticed it's starting to rain outside a little bit right now. It looks like it's going to be a wet day today. 1,100, 1,200. Whoever the winner is, send me an email to outdoorswiththemorgans@gmail.com, and I'll actually pick, the first one will be the winner, then we'll have 2 runner-ups in case the first guy never gets back to me. All right, we're at 2,700, almost there. All right, randomly pick. Merle. Congratulations, Merle. You win a pair of Ariat boots. Shoot me an email. Pick another one just in case Merle never gets a hold of us. Backwoods Style. I like that name. And we'll go ahead and pick just one more. Greg Martin. So Merle is the winner. Merle, shoot me an email, outdoorswiththemorgans@gmail.com. Thanks.